continuation with the joint probability. The before discussing about the mathematical expectation in the unit of theory of probability, or I can say that random variable, we started with discrete random variable, continuous random variable, then we discuss about the probability function, and then we discuss about the probability distribution function. After that, we shifted our logic to the joint probability function. Joint probability function will have the distribution function or probability function as f of xy, where simultaneously or parallelly we are dealing with the random variable capital X and random variable capital Y. So accordingly, we discuss the certain examples related to the joint discrete random variable, continuous random variable, and then correspondingly their distribution function. So in the terminologies we come across with the marginal distribution function, marginal density function, and then we lastly talk about the conditional distribution. Conditional probability का use लेकर we have defined the conditional distribution for f of x given y and y given x. Similarly, the other mathematical terms or related to the probability random variable, what we shall be discussing now is mathematical expectation, variance, and standard deviation. So these are the three terms which are connected to each other or associated with each other. So out of which the very first point to be discussed is mathematical expectation. What do you mean by mathematical expectation? Actually देखा जाए तो mathematical expectation is ultimately the arithmetic mean या mean जो अपन कैलकुलेट करते हैं for a particular random variable. Suppose capital X is a random variable which is defined by x1, x2, x3 up to xn. So what will be the mathematical expectation for the random variable X? It is ultimately going to be the mean or the average or arithmetic mean for that particular random variable. So suppose we see the definition mathematically. Suppose x is a discrete random variable, then the mathematical expectation of capital X having the values x1, x2, x3 up to xn with their corresponding probabilities f of x1, f of x2, f of x3 up to f of xn. This we are familiar with because in the prior portion where we discuss about the probability function, we have always seen that if x1 is the random variable, f of x1 becomes the corresponding probability for that random variable. If x2 is the random variable, f of x2 becomes the corresponding probability for the random variable x2. So the mathematical expectation is denoted by E of capital X. E of capital X is the notation used for expectation, and it is defined by x multiplied by f of x, and over this product is taken in the form of summation. Always, if you remember, in case of discrete random variable, we talk about the summation. In case of continuous random variable, that summation is converted to the integration. So यहाँ पर how you calculate the expectation for a discrete random variable? We calculate the expectation for a discrete random variable by taking summation of x multiplied by f of x. A random variable multiplied by its corresponding probability plus second random variable multiplied by its corresponding probability plus summation represents addition, summation, addition, add up करो उसको. So third random variable multiplied by its corresponding probability. So in such cases, the expectation is given by summation over x multiplied by f of x. What is x? X will be the corresponding random variable and f of x is the probability for that particular random variable. Similarly, अभी continuous के बारे में भी discuss करना पड़ेगा. Similarly, the mathematical expectation of a continuous random variable capital X having probability density function f of x is given by summation is converted to integration. So E of x, that is expectation of x, is integral minus infinity to infinity x multiplied by f of x dx. So mathematical expectation for a continuous random variable capital X, which is given by the probability density function f of x. अभी don't get confused between the joint. अभी तक बीच में अपन ने क्या डिस्कस किया था? f of xy, which is joint random variable for discrete case as well as continuous. Now again get back to the beginning of the unit, which only deals with the single random variable x. So here also we will be discussing all quantities related to the single random variable capital X. So expectation of x is given by, for continuous random variable, integral minus infinity to infinity x into f of x dx. Here it is summation over x f of x. Here it is integral over x f of x dx. Note, expectation of x is also called as mean or average or arithmetic mean, जो मैंने बोला था, and which is denoted by mu, or as we are calculating the expectation for the random variable x, it is denoted by mu suffix x. X denotes the random variable notation. Expectation of 1 will always be 1. Expectation of k will be k itself. Expectation of 1 यानी 1 multiplied by its probability, it is going to give you answer as 1. Expectation of k will always be k. Expectation of constant multiplied by any random variable x. So k outside, take the expectation of the variable. E of x plus y. Expectation of x plus y is expectation of x plus expectation of y. Expectation of product xy is equal to individual product of expectation of x and expectation of y, provided x and y are independent random variable. If you remember, we say that the random variables x and y are independent if the joint probability function or joint density function f of x is a product of corresponding marginal density functions small f1 of x and small f2 of y. So we say that when this product exists, the random variables are x and the random variables x and y are independent. In a case of expectation also, if we have to calculate the expectation of product xy, it is equal to expectation of x into expectation of y, provided x and y are independent random variable. So expectation is nothing but the mean, the arithmetic mean or the average, which is denoted by mu. Various properties or results we have for the expectation. Expectation of 1 is 1. Expectation of k is k. Expectation of kx is k into expectation of x. Expectation of x plus y is expectation of x plus expectation of y. See, for this condition, you did not have the random variables as independent, because समेशन में भी प्लस अपन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं और इंटीग्रेशन में भी प्लस को अपन सेपरेट कर सकते हैं. सो देयरफॉर फॉर एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ x plus y, it is simply expectation of x plus expectation of y. But for product, we have to check whether x and y are independent or not. If they are independent, then E of xy is equal to expectation of x into expectation of y. So this is how we have to keep in mind the definitions and the results for calculation of the given quantity or for any problem which we are asked to solve. So keeping in mind with this formulae for discrete random variable, how the expectation is calculated, for continuous random variable, how the expectation is calculated, we proceed further. So one of the example related to the discrete random variable wherein we can be asked to calculate the expectation. A random variable capital X is defined as, how is the random variable given? -2, the corresponding probability is 1 by 3. The random variable is equal to 3, the corresponding probability is half. The random variable is 1, the corresponding probability is 1 by 6. So accordingly, we can have the random variable and its corresponding probability. So in such case, we have the random variable and its probability. What is the definition? अभी ये किस प्रकार का क्वेश्चन है? इज दिस अ क्वेश्चन फॉर कंटिन्यूअस रैंडम वेरिएबल और डिस्क्रीट? सी distinctly values are given here. If you see, the values are given distinctly for the random variable which are countable, so I can say that yes, it is the example of discrete random variable. So what is the formula for expectation of x in case of discrete random variable? The formula of expectation of x is summation x into f of x. So this is the formula for expectation in case of discrete random variable. अभी summation का मतलब क्या होता है? I said go on adding the number of terms whichever are available. How many values are there? -2, 3 and 1. I can say x1, x2 and x3. So x1 multiplied by its corresponding probability plus x2 multiplied by its corresponding probability plus x3 multiplied by its corresponding probability is nothing but the expected answer for the mathematical expectation of random variable x. क्या है? -2 into 1 by 3 random variable into corresponding probability plus 3 into corresponding probability 1 by 2 plus 1 into corresponding probability 1 by 6 minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 6 LCM लीजिए आंसर निकालो that answer will come out as 1. सेकेंड क्वांटिटी क्या निकालने के लिए बोला है? एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर. एक्सपेक्टेशन का डेफिनेशन क्या है? जिस किसी का भी एक्सपेक्टेशन निकालना है that is to be multiplied by its corresponding probability. X square means you have to do the square of your random variable and multiply by its probability के वैल्यू का स्क्वायर नहीं करना है, रैंडम वेरिएबल का स्क्वायर करना है. किसका एक्सपेक्टेशन निकालना है? एक्स स्क्वायर का. सो जिस किसी का भी एक्सपेक्टेशन निकालना है, सिंपल लॉजिक, दैट इज टू बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय द करस्पॉन्डिंग प्रोबेबिलिटी. If I have to calculate the expectation of x, x multiplied by f of x, the corresponding probability. If I have to calculate the expectation of x square multiplied by the corresponding probability. So simple, whatever are the random variables, -2, 3, 1, take the square of them and multiply by the corresponding probability. So -2 का square into 1 by 3, 3 का square multiplied by 1 by 2, 1 का square multiplied by 1 by 6. Whatever will be the answer, calculate it. That will be giving you expectation of x square. Now linearity property. Third quantity क्या पूछा है? Expectation of 5x square minus 7x plus 3. Now, as per the rule of expectation, it can be distributed over addition or subtraction. As I said, कि summation या integral अपन separate apply कर सकते हैं over addition और over subtraction. Suppose आपका summation over two terms का addition है, तो अपन क्या करेंगे? Individual summation plus second term का summation. Similarly, if you have the integral over sum of the two terms, individual integration can be taken. So accordingly, here also we can go ahead with the proper expansion. Expansion कैसा है? 5x square minus 7x plus 3. Individual expectation of the terms. और अपन ने देखा कि कांस्टेंट अगर है, कांस्टेंट कैन बी टेकन आउटसाइड. Expectation of 5x square is 5 into expectation of x square. Expectation of 7x means 7 into expectation of x. Plus expectation of 3 means 3 into expectation of 1. And what is expectation of 1? 1. Yeah, expectation of k. What is expectation of k? K itself. So expectation of x square मैंने अभी निकाला है. Expectation of x मेरे पास पहले से है. 5 into 6 is 30. 30 minus 7 plus 3, that will be giving you the answer as 26. So how we calculated the value for expectation of this particular term? 5x square minus 7x plus 3. That answer can be calculated by distributing the property of expectation over plus or minus. The last quantity what they have asked me is expectation of x minus 3 whole square. What is expectation of x minus 3 whole square? How you can write down x minus 3 whole square? X minus 3 whole square can be written as x square minus 6x plus 9. Expansion a minus b whole square. a square minus 2ab plus b square. So the expansion of x minus 3 whole square is x square minus 6x plus 9. Now individual expectation, expectation of x square, expectation of 6x, expectation of 9. What is expectation of k? K itself. 6 into expectation of k, expectation of x square. I have already the values available with me. 6 minus 6 plus 9, that gives you the answer as 9. So what is expectation of x minus 3 whole square? The expectation of x minus 3 whole square comes out to be 9. So that is how we calculate the value with the help of the definition of expectation or mathematical expectation for the discrete random variable. In a case of discrete random variable, it is summation x multiplied by f of x. In a case of continuous random variable, it is integral minus infinity to infinity x into f of x dx. Second example related to this, if capital X is the discrete random variable such that expectation of x minus 1 whole square is 9 and expectation of x minus 2 whole square is 6, find expectation of x and find expectation of x square. See, it is totally opposite situation in this example. In the earlier example, उन्होंने expectation of x निकालने के लिए बोला, फिर expectation of x square निकालने के लिए बोला, and then we calculated the various expansions related to the given terms. Here, what they have given for comparison or for simultaneously solving them, they have given you the expectation of so and so values, and now you are asked to determine the value of expectation of x and expectation of x square. अपना काम क्या है, एक्सपांड करिएगा उसको अपने रूल के हिसाब से. What is expansion of x minus 1 whole square? It is x square minus 2x plus 1. So this will be expectation of x square minus expectation of 2x plus expectation of 1 is equal to 10. But मुझे पता है कांस्टेंट को बाहर लेना है. So expectation of x square minus 2 expectation of x. What is expectation of k? It is k. So what is expectation of 1? It is 1. 10 minus 1 will give you answer as 9. So आपका इक्वेशन क्या बनता है? Expectation of x square minus 2 times expectation of x is equal to 9. Call it as equation number 1. Similarly, expand this x minus 2 whole square. What is the expansion? X square minus 4x plus 4. Expectation of x square minus 4 into ex plus e of 4 is equal to 6. What is expectation of 4? 4 itself. 6 minus 4 क्या होता है? 2. तो मेरा इक्वेशन क्या बन गया? एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4 इंटू एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स. अभी this is compared with the pair of equation. Suppose I consider this particular quantity as y and this particular quantity as z. तो मेरा आंसर क्या आएगा? y minus 2z is equal to 9. Secondly, y minus 4z is equal to 2. This is a pair of simultaneous equation. Y minus 2z is equal to 9, y minus 4z is equal to 2. You can solve the pair of simultaneous equation in two variable. Put it into the calculator. आपको सॉल्व करने के बाद y का वैल्यू मिलेगा और z का वैल्यू मिलेगा. अभी रिमेंबर कि पहला वैल्यू जो मिलेगा वो किसका है? y का, यानी एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर का. सेकेंड वैल्यू जो मिलेगा दैट विल बी z and z is corresponding to expectation of x. So first value should come out as 16, second value should come out as 7/2 या 3.5 which is the fraction representing z. है ना? अगर आप इक्वेशन सिलेक्ट करते हो तो पहला वेरिएबल x होता है, दूसरा वेरिएबल y होता है. अपना वेरिएबल x यानी क्या है? एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर. अपना वेरिएबल y यानी क्या है? एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ x. तो फर्स्ट वैल्यू ऑफ x शुड बी 16. The value of y should be 7/2 or 3.5. So correspondingly they are representing expectation of x square and expectation of x. So calculation on the calculator becomes very easy for the purpose of obtaining the solution. So initially, though the equations doesn't look in the simultaneous form, but by proper assumption or giving certain symbol to that particular expectation value, you get a pair of simultaneous equation. Y और Z नहीं लेना है तो X और Y ले लो, क्योंकि calculator understand only the variable as X and Y. If you consider it into the two variable, this is involving two variables. Two variables means two unknowns. So you need to select the mode in the calculator as two unknowns and two equations, which will give you the unique solution. And these must be the answers. If you wish to verify, you can verify and get the answer for X and Y. This will be your first X, this will be your Y, which represents the expectation of X. X represents the expectation of X square. So this is how we always solve or try to obtain the solution related to the expectation for the discrete random variable. So this is also one of the example which is given to you for reference. I am being provided with the table of random variable and their corresponding probabilities. क्या क्या पूछा है? Expectation of X, expectation of X square, and then expectation of 2x plus 3. Now, how many random variables are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So all these values are to be taken into account in the product with their corresponding probabilities and add them together. अरे expectation of x का फॉर्मूला क्या बनेगा? Discrete random variable है x into f of x minus 3 into 0.05 plus minus 2 into 0.1 plus minus 1 into 0.3 plus 0 into 0 plus 1 into 0.3 and so on. That will be giving you the expectation of x. Expectation of x square में क्या करना है? Take the square of the corresponding random variable, multiply by the corresponding probability, get the answer. वो आंसर आएगा 2.95. एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ 2x plus 3 सिंपल है, 2 into expectation of x plus expectation of 3 is 3. अभी 0.25 into 2 यानी 0.5 होगा. कितना होता है? 0.25 into 2, उसका डबल करोगे तो उसमें ऐड कर दो, you get the answer correspondingly. So that should be your final answer for the solution in which they are asking you the corresponding